You can now insert a cap plate in steel joints with just a few clicks. You can enter the data using the known definition types, offsets or dimensions, and position. By specifying a reference member and the cutting plane, it is also possible to omit the member cut component. This component allows you to easily model cap plates on column ends, for example. Using the rib component, you can define any number of longitudinal ribs on a member plate. By defining a reference object, you can automatically specify welds on it.